Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about the topic packing efficiency. We have discussed in a previous session about calculating the number of atoms and its radius in the unit cell. If you have not watched that video, please make sure to watch that video. You can find the video link in the description below. Now let's know about the packing efficiency. If you take any substance, the constituent particles may be arranged in any way it can be arranged. There is always some free space called voids. It can be called as empty space also. Voids can be called as empty space also. So here in packing efficiency we are going to calculate the percentage of the total space filled by the particle. So let's now calculate it. For calculating the packing efficiency, we have the formula called volume occupied by atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell into 100. We are calculating the percentage of the total space filled by the particle. So now volume occupied by the atom we can write as Z into volume of atom divided by volume of a unit cell. We know unit cell is a cube, so volume of a cube is a cube into 100. Here Z indicates number of atoms. Z is number of atoms, and now volume of atom, that is volume of sphere. While calculating the radius of an atom, we have taken each atom as a sphere. So we are going to take the volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now let's calculate the packing efficiency one by one. First, for the simple unit cell. By using the same formula, we are going to calculate the packing efficiency. Here Z indicates the number of atoms. We have also calculated the number of atoms in the previous session. That is, in simple cube unit cell 1, and the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, all divided by a cube into 100. Here r cube means radius we have calculated as a by 2 whole cube, a cube into 100. Here a cube gets cancelled. So 4 by 3 pi into 1 by 8 into 100. On calculating this, you will be getting 52.4%. This is the packing efficiency of the simple cube unit cell. So the void space, that is empty space, will be 100 minus 52.4%, that is 47.6%. The next one is body centered unit cell. Same method. The number of atoms present in the body centered unit cell is 2. 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube into 100. So number of atoms is 2. 4 by 3 pi. R is root 3 by 4 a whole cube and a cube into 100. Here a cube gets cancelled. So 2 into 4 by 3 into pi into root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4 into 100. So on calculating this, you will be getting 68%. This will be the packing efficiency of the body centered unit cell, and the empty space, that is void, will be 100 minus 68, that is 32%. Next one is face centered unit cell. Same, the number of atoms present in the face centered unit cell is 4, and volume of the sphere into 100. So r value will be a by 2 root 2 whole cube by a cube into 100. A cube gets cancelled. So on calculating this, you will get 74%. This will be the packing efficiency of the face-centered unit cell. And the void, that is the empty space, will be 100 minus 74%, that is 26% will be the void space present in the face-centered unit cell. So if you have liked the video, please don't forget to click on like button, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. Thank you.